Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Mac cursor on Windows. First, you'll need to find and download a Mac-style cursor pack. Once downloaded, extract all the files into a new, easily accessible folder on your computer. Next, open your Windows settings and search for mouse settings to begin the customization process. This initial setup is quick and ensures all your new cursor files are ready to go. Now, within the Mouse Settings window, click on the Pointers tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the standard Windows pointers. For each pointer, click Browse and navigate to the folder where you saved your Mac cursor files. Select the appropriate Mac cursor for each Windows pointer, such as the Normal Select, Text Select, and Busy cursors. This step ensures every pointer has a Mac-inspired look. After assigning all your new Mac cursors, it's important to save your changes. Click Save As and give your new cursor scheme a memorable name, like Mac Style. You can also adjust the pointer speed or enable pointer trails from the Pointer Options tab if you wish. Remember, you can always switch back to the default Windows cursors by selecting the Windows default scheme from the drop-down menu at any time. Congratulations, you now have a Mac-style cursor on your Windows computer. Always make sure to download cursor packs from reputable sources to avoid any security issues. If you notice that some changes haven't taken effect, a quick restart of your computer usually resolves it. Enjoy your refreshed desktop experience with this sleek new look. And hey, for more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the links in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.